Hello. So finally Ubuntu 18.04 LTS is out, and they had some issues with the launch. There were a big bug in the live session thing, and it's where you start Ubuntu with it, the live CD or whatever it's called. And it was a permission issue with that live session, and 50% of the time you got a permission denied. So they managed to fix it, and it's kind of weird thing, when I install it on my desktop here, I use UEFI, and when it booted up, it was a login screen and the user was live session user. So I clicked on that and I got the desktop like this, and there were an icon saying install Ubuntu. But when I did the same thing on my notebook, booted up, it was the regular small window. You get the try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. So it's kind of a weird difference. And yeah, and also you can see my graphics card here, and that's because I had to install the NVIDIA drivers. Because I went to additional drivers here, and the default one is the Nouveau display driver, and I had some issues with that because I think it's the GNOME shell was freezing up quite often. The mouse cursor were moving, but nothing else. I couldn't click anything, I couldn't start any software or whatever. So I just went to other software here and added the graphic drivers PPA, and then went to additional drivers, and I got these 396 drivers installed, and also included is the Xorg or Xserver settings. Here you can see the drivers 39618, and another setting I can actually I'll leave it be. The screen tearing thing, you can solve that by select this forceful composition pipeline, because otherwise I get a lot of screen tearing when I watch videos on YouTube and stuff like that. And then I also click the save to X configuration file, so that this will be activated every time I start the computer. So yeah. So that's kind of new. That's what I did. There's nothing really new. There was supposed to be the new community sort of icons, new icons, but it wasn't finished in time, and they will be installed later on. So it will be an update. Otherwise, there's nothing really new with the settings. Looks the same, everything. Yeah, the same kind of software. Nautilus, it should be looking a little bit different by default. I also installed I think it's called the Nemo File Explorer. It has a little bit more options. What else? There's nothing special. Yeah, I installed Chrome, webcam software, and OBS record with, and also Java because I use Minecraft. And then pulse effects. I can't really start it right now because it doesn't really work with OBS. It gets a weird noise. But it's an equalizer, and it's not, you can't really download the latest version as a dev file. You actually have to download from the Git, and you need to compile it yourself and then install it. But it's a little bit buggy, and I guess that's because it's new Ubuntu as well, so it might be working better later on. And yeah, nothing other special things. Yeah, the discs looks the same, but when you format the drive it looks a little bit different. Works a bit different, but it's very, very easy to do. What else? Nothing special. Everything kind of looks the same from 1710. Yeah, this is my Windows 10. It's an M.2 NVMe. Yeah. But it's kind of nice. It kind of works a lot better, especially with the NVIDIA drivers. And of course, I installed the tweaks, the tweak gnomes, because I want to be able to have some more extensions. And of course, I got the dash to dock because I wanted to have the taskbar at the bottom. I have some more options here. You can set it up. For example, normally it's like this. You can extend it. Same thing here. Normally these show applications buttons, the dots, if you put it at the bottom it's normally to the right, but here you can actually change it. So it's to the left. And appearance, oh yeah, I shrink it and also show counter indicators. You see the red dots here, so if I open Chrome and have multiple tabs, there will be multiple dots here as well. So you can see if I open files here, see it's one dot. If I open another new window, it will be 2 dots. So yeah, also installed the Freon, which it lets you see the temperature of the CPU. You click on it here, so each core. You also see the graphics card. It's pretty high right now because I'm recording. And you got some sensor settings here as well you can do. And this is just the average temperature. And also top icons plus, so that it will show some top icons and stuff. I tried to get the applications extension. Right now when you click up here you get the activities, but I wanted to have the applications here. It will show you every application you got here, but it doesn't work for some weird reason. Kind of weird. So kind of what you expect. It's brand new, but otherwise it works really well. The software installed. Yeah. And you got a lot of different apps here, Discord, Skype. You can install directly from here, or you start to type, for example, simple screen recorder if you want that. So yeah. Otherwise, if you have been running Ubuntu 17.10, it will be the same basically. Everything is just updated. New kernel and stuff like that, and also LibreOffice are updated. Every app is updated. So yeah. And I'm going to run the LTS version for a while. Ubuntu won't be my main system. I'm going to use it for testing and just see how it works. On my notebook, it will be sort of my primary OS, but not on my main machine. So yeah, kind of a short update, but the new LTS version of Ubuntu is out. So yeah, nice. Also the GNOME desktop is updated. In Ubuntu 17.10 it was 3.26.1, I think it was. So it's been updated. So yeah, see you later.